ago, in a castle filled with music and singing, lived not one, not two, but 12 dancing princesses. This fall, Barbie stars as the beautiful Genevieve, a graceful princess who discovers a magical world. Barbie and her sisters must uncover the hidden secrets of this magical land in order to save their kingdom. Together they learn that big or small, everyone can make a difference as they discover the power of 12. Barbie in the 12 Dancing Princesses, coming fall 2006 to DVD.